Hello everyone. So for a couple of months I have been participating in Web3 hackathons. So what are the projects I have made and recently which hackathon I have been participating and building the projects I will be showing you in this video. So let's begin. The first hackathon which I have participated in the last month, which is Solana Coliseum. This one. Yeah. So if you just click on the first link. Okay, so this is the home page. Let me just sign in. Okay, so this is the hackathon which I have been participated last month, and I have made submitted my project. Let me just show you which one. If you just here search it, Easy Soul. This is the name of my project, Solana project. Here you can see. So what I submitted in this hackathon, basically it is an npm package where it helps Solana AVM based chain such as Neon in connecting, or you can say calling smart contract function very easily. Also I have made a small telegram bot which helps users to create SPL token just by running few commands. So if you just click on this link, you will be getting to know the demo video I have published in the hackathon. This is the complete video. So this is all about the Solana hackathon project which I have submitted last month. So currently I have been participated in one of the dapp post hackathon which is for the leaks blockchain network. Let me just show you. If you just search on the Google Chrome dapp post, here you will be able to see all the recent as well as upcoming hackathons listed here. So this is the hackathon which I have been participated and building the project. Here you need to build project related to leaks chain. So here are some of the tracks you can build your projects, and I have been building one project in for the DeFi. Let me just show you what I have made till now. Also a lot more you can say features I need to add. Let me just show you what I have made. So this is the project demo video. Basically what it does, it helps users to borrow, you can say USDC tokens just by staking the NFT token as collateral, and they will be getting the any amount of USDC. And let's say after the duration ends, if the user doesn't pay the USDC back to the contract, they will receive you can say email notification in their Web3 wallet address using I have used MailChain. Here you can see the demo video. Here the pay now repay loan button is also here for submitting the back the loan. Here you can see the email notification which came as the duration have been passed. So if here you need to click the repay loan button for repaying the loan user have been taken from the platform. Here you can see the status has been changed. Great. So this is the project for this hackathon which I am participating. Lot more features I am going to add, such as the feature you have recently seen in the video, it is for users can take the loan, but I am also adding some more features such as users can add, you can say send their USDC in this platform and they can earn some rewards, and then rewards can be swapped. I will be adding some swap functionality as well. So this is for this hackathon. Last one more hackathon I have been participating in this month, that is, let me just go to this Dora Hacks platform. Just click on the first link. You need to just sign up, create an account, and then go to this hackathon section. Here you will be able to see lots of hackathons, but I have been participating in this hackathon for the BNB chain. So if you just go to this details section, here you will be able to see the dates for the submission and the requirements what need to be done for participating in this hackathon, and the track you are interested in. So I am interested in this infrastructure track, like buildings, or you can say adding some features for the development, like you can say making the development easier for the Web3 developers. So I have some ideas which I am going to build for this hackathon, such as users can deploy their smart contract very easily, an npm package where all the, you can say, methods or connecting all these components will be present. So users and developers don't have to write lots of code for connecting their smart contract using ether.js or other libraries. So I will be like building similar things for this hackathon. So you can comment it down in the comment section that whatever your hackathon you are participating in, and I will just check it out, and if possible I will help you out as well. So stay tuned and wait for my next video to reveal some more interesting features and things. Have a great day.